Ego was always a psychological concept, but can we find ego in the brain? Let's try, shall we? So I have drawn a map of the brain and I have numbered the areas by the Broadman numbers. So let's start with the brainstem, which has the dopamine network. That is where all your core desires come from. The amygdala, which is your attention network, where your threats and your fears play out. And if you go further into the prefrontal cortex, you have areas 24, 25, 32, which is your singulate cortex. That is where you resolve all your conflicts. And you go still further, you have your prefrontal cortex 11, 12, and 10. That's where you understand yourself and society and what you're planning to do. And hidden behind is area number 14, which is insula. And that's where you are aware of your own internal body, the so-called interosception. Now put all of these areas together and that gives you a sense of what ego means. Now it's very difficult to point to one area and say that is where ego is coming from, because ego emerges from a combination of these areas. It's sort of like looking at a bunch of ingredients for making a biryani and saying, where is biryani coming from all of these things? No, when you cook it all together, you get biryani, and similarly, when all these areas come together, you get ego.